If you'd like to cancel your Spotify premium subscription, head over to your Spotify, maybe on your mobile device. Now here on the web version, we're going to go over to the top right corner, click on a profile icon, and then we're going to select account. Now once you select account, it's going to show you which subscription you'll be using. Scroll down a little bit, and here you'll see account and then subscription. And you'll see subscription options, available subscriptions, manage subscription, manage members, and cancel subscription. Once you click on cancel subscription, you'll be taken to this page. Of course, you can scroll down because that's some information which you might not need if you really want to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So you can go ahead and click on continue to cancel. Well, at this point, your decision will be made permanent until you decide to resubscribe. So this is how you can cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Do take note that even though you cancel your premium subscription, your current subscription will run its course because you've been charged already. So once it's done, you will not be charged for a new subscription.